Add fabric softener to vinegar, and the results will surprise you. Start with a bottle of vinegar. It removes grease, limescale, and other stubborn stains. Add a capful of your favorite fabric softener to the bottle. Shake well to mix. Next, take a large bowl and pour in the vinegar softener mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of dish soap for enhanced cleaning power, and mix again. In a small pot, boil 250 milliliters of water with a generous amount of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties. Once the clove water cools, strain it into the bowl with the other liquids. Pour the final mixture into a container with a dispenser using a funnel. This homemade cleaner is ready to tackle your bathroom, removing limescale and deposits while leaving surfaces shiny. It's also perfect for cleaning countertops and sinks. Add a splash to a bucket of water for mopping floors, leaving them clean and refreshed. The mixture not only eliminates greasy stains and limescale, but also fills the room with a pleasant, fresh scent. It's a simple, affordable, and effective solution for your cleaning needs.